So I was just driving and saw a bird in the road. All right, I talked to a wildlife rehab center.
I'm going under and I fear this time there's no one to save me.
Hey buddy, it's okay. He's so pretty, man.
This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy.
It's okay, honey.
I need somebody to heal, somebody to know.
Come here, buddy.
Somebody to have, somebody to hold.
Thirsty,
But it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. And now the day bleeds into nightfall.
You're actually not allowed to have donuts. No.
Bye, little guy. Oh my gosh. Now look what I see. Oh my gosh. Hi.